Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing my January 2020 unboxing of Boxycharm. This is just the standard box. I'm still on the wait list for the premium box, but I do not get notified of any of my spoilers, so this month was a complete surprise, and I do not get tracking either. And I almost debated not doing this unboxing because I said it's halfway through the month, everyone else has done theirs, but for my subscribers, I will do this box. So, the theme for Boxycharm January 2020 kind of matches my shirt, huh? What do you think? Is breaking the ice. So, it's pretty normal. It's like January. It's very cold, you know? It's got like ice on it. We're going to take you... How I do this is I do try-on style. So, I go take you through the box, show you everything I got. At the end, we'll do the try-on. Now, I did have to look through here. I always have to look through to see what I need to put on my face and what I don't. So I have everything on except eyes. So let's just go ahead and get through to the first item. But first, if you want to, you can subscribe. It's free $99 and hit that notification bell so that you're notified each and every time I upload it. Without further ado, let's get into this video. The first item in the box I have here is the Pretty Vulgar Undercover Concealer. It says it's a lightweight gel serum concealer formulated to be hydrating, buildable, and provide medium coverage with a natural, flawless finish. It's infused with vitamin E and something else that's very hard to pronounce to keep skin moisturized and to rejuvenate and improve the skin's appearance. Angled doe foot applicator, easy to use, precisely applies velvety soft formula to visibly brighten the complexion and cover dark circles. So it's a long-wearing concealer. It's great for all skin types. I'm going to tell you right now that this is not an under-eye concealer for me. So this is going to one of you guys. This is the only way I know how to do it. So comment down below if you think that this shade would match you. It is the shade 63, the middle ground. Just go look up some swatches and see if it's your skin tone. Leave your handle and say, yes, that would be a great match for me. Leave your Instagram handle so that I can get a hold of you. That retails for $25. Next, what we have in the box is an eyeshadow palette from Ace Beauté. It is an eyeshadow palette that features 12 colors that are reminiscent of the beautiful sunrises and sunsets witnessed in various locations around the world. Each color has been carefully milled and pressed to provide the easiest application and the most excellent color payoff, retailing $34.99. So we've got a nice mirror in this, and then we've got all the shades. Try not to blind you. So yeah, there's 12 shades. We're going to be doing a look with this, but yeah, retails $35. I like Ace Beauté. They have really good stuff all the time. Really good eyeshadow quality. I really like how it performs. Next in the box, I've got the Skin & Co. Roma Truffle Therapy Face Gommage, a delicate exfoliating cream with a rich texture and soothing fragrance. Truffle Therapy Face Gommage is a lush formula combining the best of the iconic Mediterranean lifestyle and the luxury Italian spa experiments. Beautiful cabinet staple, the Truffle Therapy Face Gommage features sweet almond oil, gentle apricot seed powder, and exclusive black winter truffle extract. So it's a powerful, free, radical scavenger that reduces signs of aging, so reveal a healthier complexion. I can't use this, but it's free of gluten, BPA, GMO, and it's vegan, so I'm going to put this in a giveaway for one of you guys for later. But it would be interesting to try. Usually exfoliators irritate my face, so I can't exfoliate. Even the Dermalogica Daily Micro Exfoliant I can't use. It's way too abrasive for my sensitive skin. The next thing that I have in the box is this really, really cute glow recipe. It is the Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. So it's just a bouncy, breathable sleeping mask that smooths and perfects skin overnight. Pillow-proof formula acts as a radiance-boosting face mask formulated with soothing amino acid-rich watermelon extract, hydrating hyaluronic acid, and a pore-refining AHA that work while you sleep to gently exfoliate and clarify. Well, that's interesting. I'm also going to be putting this in a giveaway for one of you guys at a later date because I have 2 of those already. And that retails for $22. The Skin & Co. retails for $28. And the last thing I have in the box is the Petite and Pretty Fully Feathered Volumizing Mascara. A volumizing mascara that adds instant thickness and definition. Its quick dry formula locks in curl, while the custom petite size hourglass applicator is designed to lay it on thick and separate lash by lash for a full feathered fringe. I'm not going to be selfish. I'm going to be giving this away to one of you guys at a later date, but I have so many mascaras open right now that it would just be so selfish of me to open another one, and if I don't like it, just to have it go bad. You know what I'm saying? You guys, I just unboxed that whole box, and I didn't even tell you. Boxycharm, regular box, $25 a month, went up from $21 to $25. Then there's Boxy Premium. I'm on the wait list. I've been on the wait list for months. That's $35. And then there's Boxy Luxe, which I also unbox. That's every 3 months, and that is $49.99. I do a prepay on it. So, yeah, those are the tiers, and the total retail value for everything in my box ended up being $126. And, yeah, that's not bad, but it's not the best of boxes, so I'm kind of unimpressed. But we will be doing a look using the Ace Beauté palette. It looks really, really nice. I'm excited to dive in. So I'm going to take my Sigma E40, and I'm going to start out safe with Sunset Rose right here. It's just a nice orangey shade. I think that's a staple in every single eyeshadow palette. Nice orangey shade. Looks like there's some purples in here as well. So it's pigmented definitely right off the bat. There's no kick up. It's blending really smoothly, effortlessly. There's no skipping. It provides like Ace Beauté's shadows do. Then I took Bahamas right here, this purple color, and I'm just blending that on the upper eye and then also on the lower lash line. These are performing really nice, very, very pigmented. I'll show you a few swatches at the end. Next up, I'm taking Sangria, and I'm just blending that. It's just a darker maroon shade. I like that there's the orange and then the purple there. It's like a maroon. I think that looks really, really pretty, harmonious. I think those look super, super great together. So far, the look is coming together alright, I guess. I mean, you tell me what you think. I'm sure I'll get like a ton of thumbs down. And then I took the shade Nocturnal here, and I placed that on the outer corner and just about halfway inward. This is getting really colorful, very smoky. There's a lot of areas you can go, a lot of routes you can take this. A lot of routes you can take with this palette. Hello, Ashley. Get it together, girl. So I definitely took this very dramatic, didn't I? I'll take Aurora here. And I'm going to place that right here. The shade's not too pigmented. But on top of that, I'm going to take Aruba. And I'm going to spotlight. Ooh, that's a nice shade. I'm going to create a nice spotlight on that. Looks really nice. Aurora. And then Aruba. That shade's really pigmented, nice. So I think all I'm going to do is put on some lashes and liner, and for liner I'm going in with this. This is from Esquito. Look at this. It's totally waterproof, transfer proof. Look at that. It's the brown shade. It looks like this, Esquito. I love this. It's just the gel eyeliner. I'm going to do a little wing with it, line my lower lash line, put on some lashes and mascara, and I'll be right back. Alrighty, you guys, here's the completed look with lashes and everything. What do you guys think? I sort of love this palette. Yes, I went dramatic with the lashes. They are the only ones that are in front of me. Just saying, Juicy Jazz loves them. They are the e.l.f. Drama Queen lashes. If you've made it this far into the video so that I know you watched all the way through, comment down below Sunshine and the sun logo, and that if you think you are the shade of the concealer, and I'm also going to send you the mascara along with the concealer. So yeah, that is all I have for you guys today. What do you think about Boxycharm? Have you ever tried Boxycharm? Will you try Boxycharm? What did you get in your box? I have to say I'm underwhelmed, but the thing I do, and this is a huge tip to you guys, if you don't like what you're getting in the box, instantly switch your quiz up. So right after I got this box, I went and redid my quiz all different. I mean, I put like blue eyes and all sorts of crazy stuff because you never know what you get. And then I always go, it's like 1 through 11. I always rearrange that so that I will get better boxes next time. So that's my one big tip to you guys. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I love you. I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.